Yes, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Today we're here to talk about the corruption what go on in the Jamaican judicial system for years. For years, Jamaican government have been abusing their power within the Jamaican judicial system. Them pick and choose who them want for run wild and who them want for put in a position where them can control. And the minute them can't control you, right, you become obsolete. Right? So, with that said, we're here to talk about the corruption where them conspire for lock up a global entertainer, an iconic global entertainer within Jamaica. His name is Adidja Palmer. Stage name, Vybz Kartel. Now, the Jamaican politician them and Big Pussy Paula Lewin, the Jamaica DA, and Big Pussy Leng conspire against the youth to lock the youth up because the man decides that him now work Sting no more. Leng have to pay him for work Sting. And Leng decides that him no want to pay the youth them at Jamaica. Every year him keep Sting, him give the youth them a thing and tell them say after Sting, him a go give them the rest of them money and them never end up getting them money. And nobody knows that this a go on. This thing been going on for years. Kartel decides he want to put him foot down because him is an entertainer. Right? And Leng them a pay international artists to come to Jamaica to come perform for 40, 50,000 US, 80,000 US. And them don't want to pay the Jamaican artists them that live in the country, right? Or carry the banner and fly the flag all over the world. Them look down upon the youth them, like the youth them a skirmish. And them better than the youth them. Right? And remember, when he's just a man, just like him. Him is just a man, him just an entertainer. But with that said, we're not a politician, and we're not a police, we're not a government official that's supposed to be running a country. Right? And yet, when they did that, take advantage of the country and the citizens of the country just because when they can. But guess what? When they never know so a time like this is going to come. Yeah, when they never know that. And now the Privy Council in England expose the corruption within the Jamaica judicial system that been going on for years. How can you not lock a man up at Jamaica 3 years before him can see a judge? And that I just recently they met that 3 years because there's a lot of people that Jamaica will get locked up when I see the judge and then they are in prison for 15 how much years and still can't see a judge or go to court. But you never hear about them story there, right? Time change now because we have the internet. Yes, we have TikTok, we have YouTube, yeah man, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, and we have all kind of things, and we have bloggers like me who are going to tell the truth. I mean, know when I come to Jamaica, I probably going to want to kill me, but I don't care. That me I tell you now. Because I'm reach a stage now, I'm ready for dead. Straight like that. Me not care, me I expose you know. A long time them something I go on at Jamaica. Remember I want to conspire for lock up the youth for something. I want to know say him never do. Right? And even if him do it, I want to do worse than that at Jamaica. I want to government official and police boy. I want to do worse than them things at Jamaica. And nobody not do nothing to you, right? I want to get away with them things there for years. Right? Nobody say anything to you, right? On the kill people, innocent youth, shoot first, ask question after, right? All of them things they want to go on with a yard, right? And if a man mother say nothing, or the family them ever try say nothing, want to murder them too, right? And nothing no come out of it, right? Want to kill people at Jamaica, and the family them have to pay for the bullet. What on fire in at the people them. Now want to tell me if this is a country that are run by politicians. No, it's run by mercenaries. With politician presidents, the presidencies of prime ministers and government official. But one is nothing like that. One are mercenary. One are extortionist. One are a murderer. And one are around the country. Right? I don't wonder why Jamaica can't get better. I don't wonder why the youth them not willing to change Jamaica. Because there can't be a change when the official them of the country or around the country is fucking corrupt. Not but corruption. So I want to expect the society in Jamaica to do when the official them corrupt. Everybody are corrupt. And a time for that change. And I have to big up Queen of Africa, because me she a burn a fire this morning and a real thing she a talk about. Like, I went since Jamaica, known for a place where man a nyam pussy and a fuck party and a do all of them something there. You see me? It's like when I bring Jamaica down. You know me I say? Whatever a man I do, wanna keep that to yourself, brother. When you don't come out and I go on like you want to publicize it, and I tell the people them like say this is the thing for do. Whatever you do, I phone no business, brother. You know me I say? Right now me I straight from the argument, I'm just a big up Queen of Africa, you know me I say? Back to the corruption and cartel and the government. Imagine them lock up the youth, right? And now it take everything for the last straw of the Privy Council in England to shed light upon the case for the world to know say the Jamaican government and the judicial system is corrupt because the youth did not get a fair trial. And right now, I try highlight like the man pay the jury them to get off the case. Why wouldn't him? When the man knows say only that try charge him and lock him up for good and throw away the key, and the man knows say him never do nothing. You see me, brother? Why wouldn't him? And if that are the thing when I try to base on the case off right now, when I look lame. When I look very lame. All of the things they want to do, when bulldozer down the man property was supposed to be a key part of that investigation of the crime when the claims of the man commit. And a bulldozer down the property before the forensic evidence could get to Jamaica, right? To examine the crime scene. And that's supposed to be where the crime take place. And Uno, as a Jamaican official, bulldozer down the property. They don't must have something to hide, brother. They don't take the man's phone and put it in a police custody. And while it's in a police custody, it has sent texts all over the world to all kind of people. You know, there's something wrong with that. Yeah? And then intimidate everybody and carry them come a court and make them testify and do all kind of thing to the people them. Because that's how Jamaica is. It's corrupt. The police them way more corrupt than the bad man them. And them down a yard that sell gun, bullet, all kind of thing. The whole of them police board there. The only good police that Jamaica big afford. Because I'm the only one to work for the government. Well, me could have said, wait name there too, you know. Me not gonna lie. You know, me could have said Mr. Adams, but me not really rap with Mr. Adams because from Mr. Adams kill the 7 youth over Portmore, me not care what more and tell me. Even if them a gunman, them was youth, you should have carried them in, brother. Because every man have a right to stand trial for them crime with them do. This Jamaican thing I get out of hand. Jamaica, one of the few places in the world like Brazil and wait name the police government. And they never bring them in. It's always an executioner style because it's a shootout. And a nonsense, brother. Most of the time the man them go for the man them not fire for them. Them just now want bring in the man them because them know the system set up and them know so the dog them are gonna get it because most of the man them are work for the politician them. And this is where the police them come in and we can say, yeah, most of the time, them right when time them execute the man them. Big man thing, me nah go around the thing, dog. Even though me they are lick out and all kind of thing, dog, you have to give it to it due because them know so once them they go them man there, the system are gonna make them once them no mash them up, the system are gonna make them get Lego again. So them have to go do it all over again. So for that, yeah. But you see the innocent youth them wanna come and mash up, brother. Because them they're on a man, because a man can be like, yo, oh, I'm a bridging that in a dog. Like, you don't know the thing already. A bad man thing in Jamaica, them man they set different. You think me can my bridging turn at him because I'm a bridging and him turn at. I'm come check me at him say, yo, dog, me know why you come check me now, wait. The man gonna start praying if he kill me. So when you come on the ends now and you see the man and him bridging now, and the man bridging and a bad man. I wanna know so the man bridging and a bad man, dog. I wanna still mash up the youth. You see me, dog, them thing that fuck, eh? I'm telling you, I'm in a rate Adams to Adams mash up a woman at Clarendon, brother, because him go for a man. And the man and him friend them run. And he mash take the baby from the woman and mash up the woman, dog. And my friend's sister, when name Patsy. Patsy dead. She come from Greenwich Farm. You hear me, I tell you? That's why I'm not really rap with Adams, dog. Adams, him cool. You see me, dog? Otherwise, from that, him do the work. Him and Bigger Foot are the only police in Jamaica who do the blood clear work. And Derek Morgan were dead. Everybody else, politician thing them a deal with, dog. You see me? Them not deal with the government of Jamaica. Wait, them a straight politician them a deal with. You see me? And a time for them thing they stop. You see me? Police all go check down and all kind of thing because them licky and love them belly. You see me? Because them want money. All of them stay like that, brother. You see me? Time for them thing they stop, brother. You see me? Time for them to stop lock up innocent people. Look on cartel, brother. We don't know how much blood clay thing. We don't lose at Jamaica because we don't lock up the man. We don't look on the thing them about, oh, we want to stop. We don't stop nothing. Because if anything, we don't make the man larger than life. Look at Africa right now. The amount of bus they drive up and down with cartel face on it and the man music a play. All over the world, the man become larger than life. And now because the Privy Council try expose you know. We don't want to call retrial of Jamaica. We not serious? Retrial of what? So they can lock up the man now? Eh? After I have the man for 12, 13 years lock up already? Andrew Holness. Mr. Holness. Because all the while I burn you out, you know. You see me? To them I not come for burn you out. To them I come to make a statement. Today is your time to step up as a Prime Minister of this great nation called Jamaica. And make the decision where you know say are the right decision in your heart because you know say cartel not supposed to die in prison. You know that. But because it's a government coalition and you're afraid to go against your friend them and wait name them. But now, you know have nothing to worry about because you around the country. Everything highlighted. Them can't do you nothing. And you're the boss. So you need to make the right decision and let the youth go. The youth have him family, him friend them, him community. The man have him business them for go run. The man have places to go, people to see, money to make. You see me? And the evolution of Jamaica. That's what the man are going to do for Jamaica, brother. On the leg of the youth. Leg of the youth. And stop all on the youth, brother. A foolishness you not going with. And we're going to continue burning out. Dirty junk up all alone. And nasty leng. And the two want to conspire upon the youth to lock up the youth. Oh, and nobody not afraid of one, brother. A time for to stop the fool in the Shire, dog. Go, man, and leg of the youth, man. Go like you don't want to take Jamaican people for fool, brother. Poor people for fool. Time for to stop getting with them thing, dog. You see me, dog? Whole heap of innocent youth and lock up a Jamaica. Man, that Jamaica when I stand trial with that prison for 10, 15 years now. How come is that possible? Where's the human rights for the Jamaican judicial system around the world? The UN. We need in Jamaica human rights. There's a lot of things need to be checked out in Jamaica. So we need the UN, the United Nations, to go to Jamaica and check out how they deal with people. It's inhumane, especially within the prison system. People are sleeping on floor, cardboard. That can't be right, brother. No matter what a man got you in a life and what a man do, even though he's a prisoner, he still have rights. That couldn't happen in America. That couldn't happen in Canada. That couldn't happen in England. That couldn't happen in France. No first world country that couldn't happen here. Only in Jamaica and Brazil and Trinidad and places like those, because them a third world country. Them not. It's like United Nations. When I forgot to say, we are a part of the nation too. We the people from the Caribbean country, right? We are a part of the United Nations too. So we need help. We need them to come down here. Not just Jamaica. We are talking about Trinidad, Haiti, all right? Barbados, Grenada. The whole Caribbean need help. But for the most part, Jamaica, Trinidad, and Haiti need help. Things are going on in the right. The people are frustrated. People fed up. People not take it no more. Wanna free up the youth and leg of the youth, brother. Make the man go live him life, brother, on a too bad mind. To see the youth are making money and the man are driving vehicle and have him thing and I know say the world gravitate to the youth. Wanna lock up the youth and have the youth in a prison and the man are swell up. Like him about for dead. When you think if Cartel dead at Blood Clot prison, you not gonna hear the end of this? Eh? And that's what you think? Mr. Prime Minister, I know if you do better than that, man. I know if you do better than that. I mean, not lie. Right now, I'm gonna start coming with video after video after video after video after video after video. Just start burn out on the corruption down in Jamaica. One of them have to get play. Somebody gonna shed light on it. Remember me tell you that. A time for them something to stop at Jamaica. You know what I say? Time for certain things stop at Jamaica. Jamaica is a great nation where the whole world look up to. But the government within Jamaica despise the citizens that live within Jamaica. Especially if them don't come from uptown. And them think they're fuckery. Straight fuckery. I'm not gonna pretty up nothing and say what do you call it now? I'm not using no vocabulary words. I'm not going to corner up on that one. I straight fuckery. The system of fuckery. The Jamaican judicial system and the government are fuckery. There is a mockery to governments around the world who do the right thing. I mean, government is not perfect, but goddamn, man, Jamaica, wanna look bad. Wanna look very bad. And take that from a yard man attack. From a far away I look out, and a time for them thing to change. And yo, you see the next one will come? All I want to boy will run up and down at Jamaica and I commit crime and I wait them there. I who know me I go burn out next. That me I tell you no. Phone the time I come. You see me? Yeah man, because I on the fuckery too. That me I tell you no. You see me? If a man not do nothing, wanna walk and arm people for brother. But me not me go save that for another one. You see me? Because I burn out everybody. Everybody I get some of this. Jamaica need a change. Straight change, brother. The thing them want to go on a yard. I don't know when things here get like this. All this I want to when I say, boy, me and Valiant. I play Obia song. I went since Jamaica turn Obia place. Science. Really? Which part? A bad man alone me know work science. They have to work Obia. They have to wear gathering. So if you a big bad man and then a music and a talk about science and waiting that them thing they there that teach you them. You no go man the whole of man. Can't tell me artist to a whole heap of thing him teach you them were wrong to you and them burn him out, you know. But the dog that prison. When him come a road, I go burn him out too. But if the leg of the yoke not do nothing. Straight me I tell you now. Yeah man, leg of the yoke man. Free Vibes Cartel man. Yeah man, a time for the dog that road man. Not itching. You see me? Please like, share and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Yeah man, have a blessed day Jamaica. Peace and love.